Using this website, you can earn the easiest $100 a day as a complete beginner and from any part of the world. So like this video and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to this new earning app. Today, I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but as you can see here, you can earn over $100 per offer you complete. These offers are simple games and app offers to install different apps and to play different play-to-earn games online, and you can earn over $100 a day installing those apps and playing those play-to-earn games. I have tried this app myself, and today I will be showing my live withdrawal proof from this new earning app today, so stay tuned until the end of this video. Now, the name of this website is called gamecash.gg. I will leave a link to gamecash.gg in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can use that link to come over to its homepage. This new earning site is available in almost all the countries around the world, so you can be from any country and still earn a good amount of money using this site if you follow each and every step shown in this video. For our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more relevant videos for you and others watching from your country. Now, the good thing is that GameCash.gg provides you with a wide range of payment options to choose from, and it will only show you those payment methods that are available in your country. So, if PayPal is available in your country, you will be shown that option. If direct bank transfers are available, you will be shown that. And if crypto payments are acceptable in your country, you will see those options too. So, just click on the first link in the description of this video, come over to the homepage of gamecash.gg, and the first thing I want you to do is click where it says sign up to register yourself on the GameCash site. Now, the sign up process is a little bit confusing, so pay close attention to it. First, you need to create a unique username for your account. Then, enter your valid email address that you are currently using in this box right here, because you need to verify this address to get the free bonuses on GameCash. Next, you need to create a strong password for your account and confirm the same password in the next box. The most important thing is the bonus code. You need to enter my code, which is Millionaire Map in all capital letters, to receive a 25% earnings boost for a period of 3 days after entering my code while registering on the GameCash website. So just enter my code like this in the bonus code box, read the terms and conditions here, check this box, and press the sign up button to register yourself on gamecash.gg. You can also register directly using your Google Mail account or your Discord account. But to get the 25% earnings boost, you need to go to the account settings section from the left. Scroll down a little bit, and where it says bonus code, enter Millionaire Map in all capital letters as your bonus code to receive a 25% earnings boost for 3 days. Once you log into your gamecash.gg account, this is how your dashboard will look. Once you log into your account to earn over $100 a day, you need to go to the offer section. Here, you will find many different offer walls you can choose from to earn money online. There are Tooks offer wall, My Chips offer wall, Time wall offer wall, Noik Times, Loli Sushi ads, and many others to choose from. You can earn unlimited amounts of money with no cap. If you are a complete beginner, I suggest starting with the Tooks offer wall. To start with Tooks, click on the Show Tasks button and a pop-up window will open where you can find different apps and game offers to complete and earn money. First, select your device, whether you have an Android or an iOS device. You can then select offers based on your device. Most importantly, read the requirements. You must use a genuine mobile device, no VPNs or proxies. Stick with one device and location. You have 30 days to complete this play-to-earn game. Offers are available for new users only, so I suggest using a new Gmail account. Rewards are usually delivered within 24 hours. Open the app immediately after installation for a smooth experience. To install the game, scan the QR code using your Android device or click the email link to your phone button and enter your email. To earn 10 times more money, install and play multiple apps simultaneously. Choose high-paying offers, such as those paying over $100 or even $500. The third step to earning even more money with GameCash.gg is the affiliate program. Go to the affiliate section and invite friends. When they sign up using your referral link and complete tasks, you earn 5% of their earnings. copy your affiliate link and share it with friends and family. Gamecash.gg also distributes monthly prizes to the top 25 most active users. You can earn $100 in prizes if you are among the top earners of the month. So once again, I will leave a link to gamecash.gg in the comment section of this video. You can sign up today to earn money, get 25% earning bonus, and to start earning over $100 a day from today itself. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.